Hello, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel where I post beauty and art related videos from time to time. If you are into that sort of thing and like creativity and are a little bit anti-consumerism and capitalism, then please join the fam. I would love to have you here. I really enjoy connecting with you guys in the comment section. Today, I am basically making a video just to shout out a creator who I really like. Her name is Victoria. Her channel is called Differently Labeled, and she is an absolute delight. She edits her videos like the goddess that she is. They are so aesthetically pleasing. They're just so gorgeous and well done. She does voiceover tutorials a lot, and they're just so good. So I was inspired by her, and I wanted to do a look. Well, I wanted to recreate one of her looks. I was going to say I wanted to do a look inspired by one of her looks, but that's a lie. I'm just going to copy what she did with different products, though, because I don't own that many things. Anywho, let's get right into it. I'm going to insert a photo of Victoria here with one of her gorgeous looks. It's this pinky, purpley, dreamy look, and she used the ABH, or I guess it's not ABH, pardon me, one of the Norvina palettes, those big old ones with a ton of shades, and it's like that pinky purple one. Anywho, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna do my best to recreate that look with what I have and just have a good old time putting on makeup, you know, like hang out together, whatever. We'll see. I think I'm going to go, well, actually I know. This is what's happening. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Illusion palette and go in with this pinky purple shade on the inner portion of my crease. Blend that baby out. It's a nice shade. I dig, I dig. Of all the colors that lend themselves to a very wearable look, I feel like pinks and purples have like that the most neutral, everyday leaningness to them. So I really want to like talk to y'all about things that I've been into lately, but I'm honestly just frustrated about people still not acknowledging institutional racism. So that's about where I'm at, my personal life. But then again, I'm also dealing big time with grief, and it just changes the way you interact with the world. Yeah. I will, when I, hopefully I'll get some more followers eventually. I mean, subscribers, whatever. Anyway, I'm hoping to grow my channel, and then when it's a little bit bigger, I'd like to, post a little bit more about real stuff and about my personal life to a degree. But I'm still saving that for when I feel very prepared to do so. Now I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, and I'm going to take a more deep plum shade from that palette, this one right here. I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my crease and outer V. Forgot to clean my brushes before I did this, but oh well. I'd love to know if y'all are like really into purples. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like blue toned purples. I feel like that's like unpopular to say, and like I don't know. Maybe I'm just reading into something that's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's definitely not a big deal. It's just makeup. But, like, I don't like blue-toned purples. I don't think they're flattering on me whatsoever. Just in general, I don't know. They're not my jam. I really want to buff this out, make it look soft. Her look is nice and soft. I'm going to put a combo of that first shade that I put on the inner portion of my crease and dibble dabble between that and the shade that I put on the outer portion, and then put it in the middle. Right here. To connect it. To connect it, baby. To connect it, baby. My husband is so dang creative and can just make up song lyrics on the fly. And that's like his favorite thing to annoy me with, because he knows I'm not good at it. But he always wants to hear me create lyrics and like create some kind of rap or like some kind of song parody, and like it does just not go well. Not whatsoever. I love people who have that capability. It's so cool. Good for them. All right. Victoria had this like really pretty shimmery lid, and I don't know if I'll be able to totally recreate that, but I'm gonna try. What am I gonna do? I wish I had the right shade and the BH formula of a baked shadow, because those are like super shimmery. But I don't think I do. Okay, I'm going to first go in with, yep, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade in the Illusion palette. It's also kind of a pinky mauve, or a purpley pinky mauve. And swipe that all over my lid. I am going to my in-laws very shortly for my mother-in-law's birthday. So I'm trying to be kind of quick. I spent my morning making pancakes and eggs and sewing on a button. So I was clearly very busy. So I didn't start filming until late. Oh yeah, I'm talking on the phone to try and get my grandparents' jitterbug working. So far, no dice. We're probably gonna have to buy a new one. And for those of you who don't know what a jitterbug is, it's like a phone. Wow. It is a cell phone that's designed to be easy to use for older people who don't have as much experience with technology. So it's like a very, very, very simple flip phone. Yeah. Anywho, I do like that color. I think that's pretty, but it needs a little bit more pizzazz. Now I'm going in with the shade Wicked from my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. This is definitely more of a blue toned purple. Now I'm gonna do something a little crazy. I'm going, not crazy at all. I'm going in with this shade called Spirit. And I don't know how to describe this shade, but I think it's so cool. It's like, I mean, it looks almost white in the pan, but it has like blue, pink, purple shifts in there that's just so pretty and transformative. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on the lid to add a little bit more shine. Her lids have a lot of nice shininess to them in the photo. So hopefully this achieves that look. Yeah, I like that a lot. It's such a cool shade. I want to use it more frequently. I think it would look really cool on top of a blue or a green look. Okay. I think that's it. I'm just going to run the deeper outer V shade along my lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna do some more blending. Try and soften this sucker up. Blend, blend, and blend. Blending takes forever. Don't let anybody lie to you and tell you it doesn't, because that is not the truth. Maybe I need better brushes. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go in with this light mauve tone in the Zodiac palette and kind of just buff out the edges with that in hopes of softening up this look a bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit of that reflective shade underneath my brow bone. And whoa. That's a bit much. That's not exactly what I was going for. Jeez Louise. I was going to use a brush and then I felt lazy and did not do it. Oh well. It's such a cool shade. I love it. It's awesome. Okay. Oh, I need to put it in my inner corner. Okay. That's it. That's the look. She done. I say as I continue to work on it. Now she really done. Well, one eye's done. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and come back and reiterate the point that you should go check out Victoria and her channel. So I'll be back in a moment. I'm back with the final look. Please let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. I hope I did Victoria justice. Wasn't that a Nickelodeon show, Victoria Justice? Anyway. Way to get sidetracked, Jessica. I'm super good at that. Anywho, I hope I did Victoria justice in this look and that it turned out similar to hers. So now what I'd love for you to do is go check out her channel and her Instagram and go give her some love and support. That's it. That's the whole spiel. So thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Please take care of yourselves wherever you are. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. We'll see what happens not post-edit, during edit. Edit. Anywho, I think I get it all over my nose sometimes, but then I don't see it until it's too late. What the heck? No bueno. I'm probably going to put a little more foundation on to fix up that mess. I keep dipping into the wrong color. What is that? I'm a Visco girl.